There are 3 properties of logarithms. So know these 3, learn these 3, love these 3. And there were only 3, so that's not that big of a deal. Okay, here's the first one. The first one we're going to look at is the product property. So with the product property, what does product mean in math? Multiply. So that tells me what we're doing here with this is we are multiplying x times y. Now, as long as it has the same base, when you multiply it, you can split it up as log base a plus log base a of y. Oops, I didn't say that right. Log base a of x plus log base a of y. So think about it, x times y makes things bigger, so whenever you break up the logarithm, you're going to add between those because product and addition kind of go together. All right, let's look at the next one. If you've got a product property, you know you got to have a quotient property. So here it is. We have the quotient property. And if you have log base a of x divided by y, if multiplication was addition, then division has to be subtraction. So you take the top minus the bottom. So log base a of x minus log base a of y. Cool. One more. Last but certainly not least is the power property. Where you have log base a of x to the r power, you are going to take this r and bring it in front. So you now have r times log base a of x. So anytime you have the power property, you're just going to take whatever's in the exponent and bring it all the way in front. And there they are, ladies and gentlemen, the product, the quotient, and the power properties. Notice, do I have a sum property or a quotient? Pardon me, you got a quotient. A difference property? Negatory, good buddy. So if you end up with something like log base a of x plus y in there, then you're done. There is no sum to break that up, and there is no subtraction or difference. If you have, notice the difference between these two values. If you have a full log plus another full log, that is different than a single logarithm and then the x plus y on the inside. Those two are very different, and they cannot be broken up the same. So I want to make sure to point that out to you, because now we're going to use our properties and we're going to break apart logarithms and condense some logarithms. It's pretty cool, really. Let's check it out.